Okay, it is July 16th, 2024. Alexa, what is the time and date?
In Corridon, it's Tuesday, July 16th, 2024 at 10:31 p.m.
Alright, my name is Christian Noggle. I've been working on this project here. Now you can see by that bubble that it is, it's not level. It's actually tilting back toward me. If you see, let's see, the bubble, I'll lift this up a little bit, lift up on it, and you see now it's level. If I lift up on it just a little bit, see that bubble move? The level. I'm going to let it back down, and the bubble, actually here's a better way of seeing it. So I lift up on the, now it's level, I let go and it's not, till it's back toward me. Now, despite that, because of how thick this resin is, and I got the blue dye in it, all that light color you see is a reflection. I need to buff and smooth this. I'll probably pour on another layer. But because of the profound amount of tilt, this blue part is intentionally very unlevel. So at Raquel's restaurant, Maguey Mexican Restaurant in Salem, if I, this is going to represent the faucet, pouring water, now you look at it, and this is about where it's going to be. But the water's not coming back at me. If you hear it, it's actually running off. It's running off quite well. And this is not finished yet. Now notice it cannot go over there. Designed not to miss the drain channel. This is going to butt right up against the wall, well, where the current sink is. There's a notch cut about a 1/2 inch deep into here. That's where the water's going to go. I need to work on pouring some more resin. I need to smooth out that there. I need to see if I get in a buffer or something. Yeah, notice how the water where it goes. Yep. Even though this sink top is leaning back toward me, the water still rushes away from me. So the surface of this sink, which looks like a table, but it's actually tilting back toward me a little bit, as you can see by the bubble and the level. But despite that, because of this high elevation, makes it slope down very much, and then it runs that way. That's exactly what I want. I got to get this all cleaned up. What I might do, well, I got to get this all buffed. And then I got to work on putting another layer of sand, the final color that I want. This, I did not mix enough hardener. It's been like that for a week. And it's just, yeah, I'm going to have to redo that. But anyway, I'm going to have to put another layer of epoxy resin and sand mix there. Yeah, I got my name engraved in this Christian Noggle. But I'm going to put the layer of sand high right up to here. I'm going to put the layer of sand high right up to here. So the idea is you're going to feel like you're standing at the beach, and the water's going to run right in there into the drain channel.